Hello everyone, welcome back again. So in this class we will be learning different headings in HTML. So in HTML we have different heading sizes. So HTML it have 6 different types of headings starting from heading 1 till heading 6. So heading 1 have the largest font size and heading 6 have the smallest font size. So within any particular HTML page, we can use any number of heading for any heading size for any number of times wherever it is required. So since we have already learned the basic structure of HTML, I won't be writing from the very beginning. So please try to follow along with me. Now let me do it inside our body tag right after headings. Since this is the contents that I want to see it inside my browser, so I will do it inside body tag. So let's starting from here. So the correct way to declare a heading is heading 1. So for our example, let's write this is heading 1. You can write anything as you wish depending on the documents you are creating, but for our example I will just write this is heading 1. After that, let me close the heading 1 tag. So that's how we can declare any heading sizes. Heading 1, let me write heading 2, this is heading 2, let's close this heading 2. So it does not mean that all of this heading should be written serially like this. The output of different headings. So let me write heading 4, heading 4, 4, 5, heading 5, heading 6, heading 6, heading 6. Okay, so these are the different heading sizes in HTML, starting from heading 1 till heading 6. You can use any number of heading sizes anywhere as you wish. So let's save it, and then I will be saving it inside my HTML5 folder. Please try to save it in your own folder which you have created. So I will give headings .html. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, so this is header which I have given. After that, these are the different heading sizes we have created just now. This is heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like I have said, is heading 1 have the largest font size, followed by heading 2, 3, 4, and so on. So heading 6 has the smallest font size. So let's make it smaller. Okay, let's do it like this. So inside our header, let's write this one as heading 1. After that, let's close this one. After that, if you refresh it, see this one have the heading 1 font size. So depending on your requirements, let's say like let me copy this heading 1 and then right after heading 6, after this is also heading 1. Let's save this one. After, let's refresh it. So see, we are still getting the same heading 1 font size as I have declared heading 1 tag out here. So within your any HTML pages, you can use any heading size any number of times. So that is different heading sizes in HTML. So thank you. See you in the next class. Thank you.